quite so glad to be here exactly in the moment when something recently broken off and seeing this shade of blue color. It's a very temporary situation. So it's really beautiful and I'm really happy you guys got to see it. But Jökulsárlón has the name of the outlet of the glacier we are watching. It's the widest outlet of Vatnajökull. You might be more familiar with Vatnajökull's name as Oh my god!
Oh, I get it.
Congratulations. 刚好掉下来。
I get it. I get it.
又来了，又来了，又来了。
Okay, it's falling apart! Oh my god!
I get it.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ!
我们很幸运看到。
哦，好，
哇，翻过来，翻过来了。
Are you guys filming this?
Turn it
Are
on.
you guys filming this?
哦，我们正西呢都拍到了。
翻过来了。
翻过来了，翻过来了。他说我们还站太近了，船太近了。
Upside down 啊。
它会底下有那个漩涡。哦，值回票价。我们看到。